What's up guys, Mateo Mara here. Today I'm going to talk to you about group fitness, about spin, and about losing body fat, okay? The best questions, the best topics, the best things I hear about during the week. I'm going to turn into videos just like this every single week. Now, if you have a question, if you have a comment, you want something answered, just send me an email, leave a comment down below, shoot me a message on Instagram. Okay, so something that irks me is when I see people spending tons of money and just banging their head against the wall at these group fitness places, these personal training places, and just not getting any of the results they want, which is primarily fat loss, okay? So you see these people, they're at the gym or they're at the studio or whatever, and they go to their instructor and they say, hey, look, I still got this body fat. I want to lose it. How come it's not moving? I'm paying you thousands of dollars every month. And the instructor, well trained, will say, oh, you know what? Maybe if you updated to our gold membership, or our platinum package, that'll get you the results that you want. And this person who trusts that instructor, that coach, who they have a relationship with, goes, oh, great. Yeah, absolutely. Just take my money, whatever it takes for me to get the result. And it's just the same shit. They go to the gym and they're doing the same shit every day and they're just not seeing the results they want. It's sad. It's embarrassing. Like, these people are parents, they're doctors, they're lawyers, they're professionals. They're not dumb, but they're just doing the same stuff and they're not getting what they want out of it. Why? Well, in the case of fat loss, they don't have an energy deficit. They're not eating less than they're burning. Okay? Now, it's not enough for me to just tell you, have an energy deficit. But here you go, for free, some easy tips that you can use to create an energy deficit without having to do, keto or fasting or totally overhaul your life. It's simple. You can create significant fat loss with some simple behaviors. Here they are. Number one, eat lean protein at every meal. Okay, you've heard this a million times. It's on every magazine cover. Everyone's shouting it at you. Why not give it a go? What do you like? Cottage cheese, Greek yogurt in terms of dairy products. Eggs are great. Chicken, turkey, kangaroo. Figure it out. If you don't know how to prepare protein, keep your eyes on my recipe videos. I'm going to keep posting those to make it as easy as possible for people. Step number 2, do something every single day. Okay, if you don't have 90 minutes to go do your, CrossFit insanity workout that's gonna fucking cripple you for 12 days, that's okay. Just go for a walk, 15-minute brisk walk. You don't have time for that? Go help grandpa move some rocks in the backyard. I'm sure, he would appreciate it. Find time to do something every single day, some form of physical activity. That's gonna keep your metabolism firing up nice and high, and it's gonna let you drop a little bit of body weight. Okay, third and final one, I've talked about this before, is getting to the point of satiated. Okay, you don't wanna eat until you're totally stuffed, sweating, lying on the couch, and just destroyed. You'll know you've overeaten and it's just moving you backwards. If you don't know how to feel full, check out my other video on how to feel full, or just slow down and start paying attention to how you feel. It's going to go a long way. Okay, apply these 3 simple tips. You won't have to upgrade your membership. It's completely free. In fact, it'll probably save you money because you'll end up eating less food and you're going to get the results you want. All right, quit wasting your time. Start doing the things that work. If you have a question, leave it down below, shoot it over to me in an email, and I'll answer it in a video, just like this. Have a great week, guys. Talk soon.